Reporting ngiponyelisa abantu ngentshela ukuthi okay. Ngiponyelisa. Okay.
You're saying that unamanga, right? So like maga now when as a multi.
Ungabulala ubani mina nospofu? Ungabulala. I'm coming with that.
I have a question.
Yeah, what's the question?
Shooting gegezo. Mama sikho kahle. Angazi uthi nje.
Awazi ukuthi sazokhona ukumkhabisa. That's questions I'm trying to like. What does it say in the business? Okay, so the thing is, like, do you have like chances of?
Hey yo, what's going on everybody? This is your boy bro, what you know, say the best in his own league. Party Yes, so, and guys, I'm not rolling alone, I'm rolling with my little bro. I like it.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? Is your boy Felix. You get that shit. Welcome to his YouTube channel. Yes.
So, guys, so today what we're doing is a loyalty test. We're doing a loyalty test on KK to want to see if like she's still as my bro or what. Want to see if like she still loves him or what. So Doc, are you gonna like get it out of her? Do you think like she still loves you?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Guys, today I'm going to leave this to discuss what they call discuss. This is not going on my channel for relax. It's not going on my channel. I'm just here to like present yeah. So guys, do you think you'll ever get back with them?
And the record in the topping question,
do you think you'll ever get back with her?
Might be.
Who,
If things work out.
my boy? Okay, this is a question for you. Who do you love more between KK and myself?
Who do I what?
Who do you love more between KK and myself?
No, that is two different. As in like Mtanduban.
Yes, say if you like we had to kill one, which one would you sacrifice? If like we had to stay with one.
They didn't kids so high.
Yes.
For that's come as you kids.
Yes. If you had to save only one's life. If you only if you only had to save one's life, which one would it be? Yeah, man, I'm talking about life and death. Which one?
That is simple son and
So my brother, you can't answer.
The time I can't answer. The parent couldn't bulala. La poor eyes not in Tanduban.
Okay, yeah, okay, which one do you love more?
And the time of tickets on one that Mariah, you bulala.
If you had to kill one.
Yeah, kill him, Sapi Baba. Aye, you.
Alright, yes, about this measure.
Yeah. Oh, Baba Musi. Bye, boss. Tapos na tayo sa ibona, Baba. Baba, obvious, Baba. Outgo pen for pen with her, Baba. And dapat the killing team that yes. Ay.
Okay.
Ex, bagbuzo no ketsugufuba ni umrungana. Yini andot? Uketsugufuba.
Ku life and death you with mina obvious because then it's been isikhathi esiningi noma memory.
Ex a guy.
Dota kune life and death. Where's life and death?
No.
If you had to choose one.
Indaba ndoda phela mawuthi ukubulala ndoda. Mangathi ngibulala yena ndoda rathu like lento lezobonakala ngendlela naye mangathi ngibulala yena ubonakala ngendlela ndoda.
Okay.
Ngona uthanda, yeah, mawuthi uthanda ngithanda yena. Mara,
Okay, which one do you enjoy doing content the most with? Kids or Maseko? Please be honest.
basically I can't tell because kids are angishutanga na first cut. So I won't tell.
But you spend more time with kids more than Maseko, right?
When I saw
Hey, Baba, which one? Which one
what?
do you prefer doing content the most with?
Do I prefer ngithanda ukuyenza naye?
Yeah, which one do you
Do I prefer? I
Yeah.
prefer her.
Wow.
Prefer, Baba. Do you understand what prefer?
Oh,
Ngiyabona ukuthi understand.
man.
Ngiyabona. Uprefer nokuthanda kufana.
But you prefer doing content with her.
Yes.
But you've done more content with
It's because
Maseko.
it's because we weren't getting along. Now you're going to eka ngikwatele ndoda. Oh,
I.
exactly. Bonga ngikwatela. Utheko lomsumo. Ndoda yena ungambuzi ndoda mina lezi zinto ngibuza zona ndoda. Mbuza naye njengami ndoda hayi. Ungabulala ubani mina noSport? Ungabulala mina. Yeah, Sport Vialo.
Okay.
Mbuza
I'm not coming to the hour. I'm not.
Mina msingiphendulile.
Yeah. Which one has more reads, has better reads between my boy and Elspovian? Be honest.
Like ngisacabanga.
Oh. Gobula or is it this?
Oh, fuck your ass, shut your black ass mouth.
This is Paramesteric.
Shut your black ass mouth, you fucking motherfucking SS. Fucking motherfucking SS. Fucking motherfucking SS. Fucking motherfucking SS. Endata.
Okay.
Angkalisani.
Hey, you get it? Which one is a better creator between my boy and Elspovian?
It's because like Spova.
Shita wena mo. Shita. Aha. Sekhle msuna.
No, this is life. The kids.
Eh baba, you gonna make it. Endata put there some too.
No!
Baba. Yeah. Let make your effects there.
No, if you
Hey Baba, ask her, Baba, you are not done, Baba. You've been asking me for a while, Baba. Also ask her, Baba.
why are you so scared?
And the question,
Why are you
your
so
questions
shaky?
not I'm not shaking.
Why are you so shaking?
Tickets can make me shake, not what you mean, Nata. Ay, Nata, enjoy.
Can we, God, listen, can we like give him space? Yeah, ask your question.
Ngubani okwenza ukuthi uthuke khulu phakathi koGegeza noMaseko?
Yeah.
Which one has more aura between her and Maseko?
Oh, it's a simple like that. Which one?
Elspovian khona? Do we have Elspovian in the room with us?
That's no. It's enough.
No, I'm asking who has more aura.
Ora. Ay, Baba.
Who do you feel more?
Ah, Nata, I'll do this in Captain.
I have a question.
Yeah, what's your question?
Between Gegezo Noma sikho go feel well.
Like feel as in like what? I don't understand because ne feel.
Yazi Joe, yaziphi Joe, like that feeling, that sensational feeling.
Wait,
Yeah. Ikaw, what the case here for boy, answer. Which one gets you hard? It's simple.
ngiyacela ungakhuluma
Namngembuzi.
Yeah, but just answer this one after this one.
Answer phakathi nospo.
Felix uyacela
Just answer this one. Just answer this one.
Ndota ndoda ujasuye ndo. Nina ndoda phela ngizazi ndoda nezinto engizenzanayo. Mina ngikhulume nene.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't go so much on that all. Yeah. Yeah.
When was the last time you contributed?
When was the last time? I don't remember.
But your top video is with there, right?
Hey Baba.
Your most
Baba.
video is with Masiro, right?
Hey Baba.
Masiro,
Okay, should I unpin it? And that pass me.
No, I didn't say unpin.
And that.
It's still your most viewed video, even if you unpin it.
And that.
Which one has more views than it?
Hey Baba.
Which one?
Hey Baba, escape my phone, Baba.
No.
Ufuna ngi-unpin ngisho ngizoyi-unpin.
No, don't unpin it. Don't.
But that's what you are saying,
No,
Baba.
I'm not saying it. It makes your account look nice.
Makes it.
No, don't unpin it.
Okay, ngizeni konje photini ngiponyelisa abantu.
Yeah.
Ngitshela ukuthi hey Baba, okay.
You're saying that in Amanga, right? So, like Maga now when as a mom feel, as a mom feel when I'm too hard, Maga now.
Whoa. Nitini? Wow, nitini?
As I get one feel when I'm too hard, Maga now. As a mom feel
I
hard.
can't tell.
That means two things. That means two things.
What two things, Baba?
That means two things.
What two things, Baba?
Small
Small.
or you don't get hard. Which one is it?
chaza ukuthi uligame
Hayi, mina ngiziconfirm. Hayi people that's why.
LGBT community comes. Shut up.
no hey ajam ngisacela ukubuza ikekhe
Sure.
yeah
Tanamona, you'd never sell me out. I trust in you, my boy. Ask.
alright ngibani wamfili ukuthi uhambe phakathi kwesibolo
Uma khupha no Felix.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I know you because you come here. Joe, please tell us.
Explain, Baba.
Yeah, tell us.
Explain, Baba. Explain.
my hand wants to do it
Uge wabafila bahali.
Wena ubani ukuponyelisa mina nomahubo? Hey Baba, it's still a question.
Who's your
Wait,
favorite
Baba.
ex?
Ex and my ex.
Okay, who's your favorite person? Or in all of them?
Eh, look, I'm not saying.
you are singing right now you're singing Jay. Yeah.
I'm saying, why six?
End that.
I get a call.
Wait, end that away.
So, like, I'm just asking. Who's your favorite part?
how
I couldn't myself.
So,
sure.
in all of your past, Pilan is the one that you felt.
Felix my brother that's my
Yeah.
brother
And then come.
that's my
I've been drunk with motion car.
Ifuzo.
It's on the blood, boy.
Hey, what
It's enough.
Okay, yeah.
It's enough. It's
Yeah.
enough.
By the way, that was a good thing to do. We are leaving right now.
No, Baba. No, Baba. Oh, no, Baba. No,
I'll
Baba.
make sure that they'll come back after 5.
Hey, Baba. No, Baba. Still got a question, Baba.
Which question?
Hey, Baba. Who makes you feel honey, Baba? Between me and Mahupa, Baba. Who makes you feel honey? Who makes you feel honey? Who makes you feel honey? I'm asking, who is it? Tabu, True. Now it's me and you. No. I don't want this. In front of you as I'm speaking. So the thing is, I've not been around for a while. So like, yeah, I know I was away. Since I'm very good, I'm going back. And be honest. Shwena watawa trace tingambi. How many months or weeks? 3 months. Okay, I'm judging. Oh, now no more question. Not those or now if you or everything you'd like to know, so I ask. I beg. So like I'm finna ask. Like without the room and without no pressure. Do you see myself with you again? From my own perspective, like without Jonga Wabanga, come I see too. Kulum because we take and no, it's still an answer. So like I'm finna ask you, do you ever see yourself with me again by your own perspective?
To be honest, yeah, because like I can give you a second chance.
Oh, do you believe in second chances? Okay, let me ask you this. What makes you think you'd be able to like finna get back with me, like in the cousin or is it just that you should believe in a second chance to play?
I don't know, I'm not listening. Like, I'm not listening to my husband.
Nayizoyenza zona no. Okay, nginonithini ekukhaza ngayo because ngiyacabanga konke kunikeze umuntu second chance ongakuchaza.
Because like when you speak, like don't call me like we're going to shower bed like for medical yeah.
Oh, you're saying you saw by like my actions that I really want you to forgive me. I beg. So like, is there anything you'd like to do with me?
Things.
Like kinda like hug me, do things, like just do things with me.
So now
It can even be now or by the end of time. You don't know, isn't like
kahle angazi ukuthi
awazi ukuthi sazokhona ukungiqabuza. That's questions I'm trying to like. All those decisions are behind the scenes. Okay, so the thing is, like, do you have like chances of me and being in a physical activity? Like from your own perspective? Physical activity, but why are the wash coming? Why do you mean no? Is it like una reasons? Or is it because no kona sema kamera?
Since there's no reality why
I forgot phela.
forgot Jan.
Phela mina ingqondo yami iyaduma because ziningi izinto ezenzile. Which is no, not the things, but is it So mina ngicabanga izinto eziningi of wena. So mina angazi ngikhohle uzama ukungikhumbuza. Ngihlebele phela ungasaba ngisho ngeke basiza. Why? Like I'm asking why ngiyakuvela uthini? Uzongihlebela ngishabeza.
Money XO, let's get it.
BJ, this a hit, boy.
I beat. So like, from your own perspective, like from now on, like, no, I beat. No, that like, interview from guys now, so yeah, I think guys at the end of the video, like when I can't do like there's gotta be okay, then like at least get 3 questions.
3 questions
or 2. Like
like
nalo manje ngasa.
If you're honest, wenzani uMaSiho?
Yeah.
Wenzani uMaSiho?
Ngenza njani so?
Like benenzani, benifletha or benifunani njani?
You won't judge.
Yeah, I won't judge.
Like naphela ngine story. The thing is, like, do you remember you and Kyle? No, not Kyle. No, I won't say the name, but when you was looking Shuba. Do you remember when you and that nigga, you guys were on a call? You guys were on Shuba. Besides Sia, not Sia. Phela kunecall ekuyenzeka then by August status bang hide.
Oh.
Yeah. After that call, then I was like, nigga like was going around telling people that he gonna take my heart. So I was like, you know what? Let me also make this like Mati, ngapana lukuthi na Mati ngiyenze ibonakale ngalendlela yena ufuna ibonakale. Then and I was told by like haha nokuthi baba they were speaking with your heart. Then it went on. That time started calling me. Then I was like, nah, I thought she wanted to be a revenge. Then after the call things came out that you were hanging around with these niggas and stuff like that. And people were like, hey, you're talking about Tove. And after that, we missed that one. I was like, nah, man, let me not overthink. Then I tried talking to you, do you remember? Then you were like, nah, nothing is going on. Then I told you about that. MaSiho was asking me for a collaboration. Then you are like, nah, everything is fine. Then we collab. Then the next day, things came out of that. Yeah, I'm cheating you with MaSiho. People started saying, why are you opposed to MaSiho? MaSiho is not my girlfriend. Then that's where lento yaqala. Bese wena bakufake the pressure ukuthi ngiyakuchithela. Then
but like, yes, why ngiyenza njalo?
Yeah.
Mina bangizobhekanga behind the scenes. And mina vele like bengekho nathi uzongithe because wena uyabhanga vele.
Mina why sho kanjani?
Awubona uzothi njani nawe?
Njani kanjani? Yazi mina nonke ngithanda ukuthi mina ngiplay isho ngahle ukuthi ngingule. Isho ukuthi ngingule. My wayuthi and you club ne the ones told me ukuthi unomngani wakhe lo siqeda ukukhuluma ngayo ngasidala unomngani wakhe and uka wena masimbuzo uthi wena ufuna umngani wakhe hayi yena. Then things came out MaSiho then started explaining everything nangamchazela what's happening. So like besiyenza ukuthi nani ngicabanga ukuthi because I felt left out with you. Things going on at Villa and then I'm going to go on because the debate is now they're actually taking my heart. So you tell me that I'm penny, which is I make things without thinking. So yeah, that's the story. Umbuzo. Ukugcina lesivale video.
Awanginawo.
Zama ke nanoma yini. Yeah. Yes, everyone. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button to be notified every time we drop. Yes.